Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Now let's, as usual, start here. Jupyter notebook. Let's run that. So today we want to learn something about aggregates and cases where we may need to use aggregate method. So let me open this. Yeah, open this one as usual, and then come here. So let's see, let's go down here, and we have something that we can talk about. So we say sometimes you want to run even more operations based on particular data frame for a particular column. Now in such case we start using the aggregate method. All right, so here I can do like that. Switch this, control, yeah, like that. Right, now let's see it in action, the next shot.